Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your PayPal account. First, you'll need to create your account. Head over to the official PayPal website or download their mobile app. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure it's a strong one. Next, fill in your personal information, such as your name, address, and a valid phone number. This initial setup takes just a few minutes to complete. Once you've entered your basic information, PayPal will send a verification email to the address you provided. It's crucial to open this email and click the confirmation link inside. This step verifies that you own the email address and helps secure your account. If you don't see the email in your primary inbox, take a quick look in your spam or junk folder. You can also request a new verification email if needed. To fully utilize your PayPal account, you'll need to link a payment method. You can choose to add a bank account or a debit or credit card. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your preferred method. For bank accounts, PayPal often sends two small deposits, typically under $1 each, which you'll need to confirm on their site. This process ensures your account is fully verified and ready for transactions. After linking your payment method and confirming any small deposits, your PayPal account is officially activated. You are now ready to send and receive money with ease. You can also make secure online purchases at millions of retailers worldwide. Remember to keep your login details confidential and monitor your account activity regularly for added security. Enjoy the convenience of your new PayPal account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.